In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Billiards City game app not working. If you're experiencing any challenge with this Billiards City game app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this helps, please like and subscribe. So if you've been experiencing any issues such as you can't play, the game can't open, or it takes too long for it to load files, or even it crashes, then just long press on your app to access its app info page, and you can see app info is here. Now from here, you want to stop first all activities that are ongoing with this game by typing on force stop and confirm by OK. Then you need to clear the app data. If you go to this storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just files that your Billiards City game app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But when they accumulate, they might cause your app or your game app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. At this point, now restart your smartphone and open your app, and everything now should be OK. However, should you still have a challenge, then come back to app info page, and this time around clear all data by tapping on clear all data here. Now at this point, everything should be OK. However, should you still find that you still have a problem, then you might want to find out if we have an update. And for that, just go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and then search for the app. So I'll just search for Billiards City, and here we go. Our app is here. Tap on it and find out if you have an update, then update your app to the latest version. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Billiards City app. Once now you are done, now you can open and start playing the latest version of this app. However, if your app still crashes, for instance, if you still experience issues where your app closes immediately you try to open, for that you need to uninstall the app totally like this and then install it afresh. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Billiards City game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.